Good morning from Newfoundland. I wanted to wake up at 5:30 and up the hill. There's nobody here, but I wanted to give you a proper Newfoundland sunrise. So okay, let's just give you a little tour of where I am. Not a soul in sight. I'm very much hoping there aren't mountain lions, because you just never know. There's Signal Hill Monument, John Cabot Monument. There's the bay, lovely, lovely. And let's catch that sunrise. Everybody else in St. John's is sleeping, except me. I left Max sleeping in bed and said, honey, you want to see the sunrise? He's like, no. So I said, okay, I'll see you soon, darling, for breakfast. But here, it's just coming up. See the pinky pink? Totally beautiful. Okay, I'm going to shut this down, and if I catch some whales, I will definitely post. Have a great day.